Hi guys, it's Marnie here from Happy Fabric, and today I am going to be creating these lovely low top trainer rainbow star trainers. As you guys loved the ones that I made last year so much, the high top rainbows, I thought I would show you a quick and easy, simple way to create the low tops. So tune in and we'll get going. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I did today use the Happy Glitter Rainbow Pack, which is available on our website, and I also added an A4 silver Happy Glitter. So if you want to recreate, this pack is ready there for you to buy straight away. Just add the silver glitter if you fancy it. I love a bit of silver. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to not miss out on any of our other upcoming projects. Thanks!